year 1886, Josephine Cochrane is hosting a big dinner party.
Oh no, my beautiful plates are cracked again.
What's happened?
The servants broke down while washing dishes. I'm so tired of this.
Well, you should wash them yourself.
If nobody can get the machine to wash dishes, I will do it myself.
Josephine begins drawing and designing a machine.
Let me see if the water spray with a strong pressure and the plates don't move, so they don't break.
But Josephine, women do not build machines.
Then I will be the first. It worked! The plates are clean and not broken.
This is amazing. What will you call it?
The dishwasher.
Josephine Cochrane became the inventor of the first practical dishwasher. She saw a problem at home and invented a solution. The end.